Steve, a game of two halves.
Yeah, I felt they were slightly better than us first half, even though they didn't create a lot. It was a game like that. There weren't a lot of chances, but they were the better first half, and then got the goal just before half time, which was disappointing. But yeah, we spoke about it in the changing room, and then you could see then the second half we were a lot more aggressive, on the front foot a bit more, and then managed to get them 2 early goals that set us up for the win.
Fel rhywun sy'n gosod lan tîm, hanner gynta, fi wedi gofyn wneud hyn a llall, maen nhw wedi wneud e'n berffaith. Ail hanner, maen nhw wedi symud i ffwrdd o hynny. A falle y ffocws yw e, neu just y gallu i canolbwyntio, ond i fi, just gwirion.
What was going through your mind when you looked up and saw that opportunity to shoot from distance?
I just thought, to be fair, I kept clocking that the keeper was playing quite high, and obviously I've touched it, I've read the pass, and then just thought I know where the goal is and just have a strike, I guess. And yeah, with that in mind, I've hit it. It's been quite a sweet strike, and then luckily paid off.
Between third and seventh or sixth, it's tight, and it's probably going to go to the wire. That's all we've got to do. Just focus on ourselves. And I know it's boring, but just focus on the next game and try to win it. That's all we can do. But you know, it is going to be tight and it's going to be tough.
Dyna pam fi'n teimlo mor sal, achos heddi chi'n ennill 3 phwynt, mae hwnna'n rhoi ni ar 31 o bwyntiau, ac mae yna 4 gêm i pigo lan mwy o bwyntiau. Mae dal yn ein dwylo ni wrth gwrs, a mae gyda ni'r gallu ar dawn a'r talent i fynd ymlaen i ennill sawl pwynt dim os pwy ni'n ware. Ond fi'n teimlo'n eitha blin heno am y ffordd ni wedi ware ail hanner.